Hi, this is Alex Eagle, the Master of Runes. In this video I will show you a runic stave that is designed to cleanse and heal any problems related to personal life and creation of a family. It was created by Velia. Later in the video I will also explain how to use it and how to activate it. This graphical magic construct is from my personal collection of powerful rune formulas and runic staves. I have gathered hundreds of powerful magic symbols. Those were created in the history of humanity. These magical symbols are amulets created for practical reasons like attracting money, health, love, but also for mystical purposes, for example, protection from black magic, learning to astral project, and even developing your intuition and clairvoyance. All that is available to you right now. All links are in the description of the video. Now let's see what runes are used in this runic stave. The rune Otala represents you and your soul. The rune Berkana and Pertro creates a harmony inside of you and inside of your soul. The runes Eivas and Turisas, reversed and also mirrored rune. These runes are cutting off all the past and negative situations and patterns from your future, and also prevents them from repeating in future. The rune Naudis forces any blocks to be cleansed and removed from your personal life energy. The rune Raido is your path, your way to exit all the blocks and move to a positive future with success and satisfaction. The rune Algis represents the support of higher forces and protection from any negative influences. The runes Fejo, reversed and mirrored, it is the desired end result of the situation. The rune Unyo is the joyful, happy state of you, and the dot represents all kinds of blocks. As you see, the rune Turisas is directed into the dot. It means it destroys all the negative effects. By the way, if you don't know the meanings of the runes, get my free runes PDF guide. It has the meanings of all runes, some rune formulas, divination spreads, and also an example of how you can use and activate the runes with a simple ritual. A word of warning: before activating a runic stave or any magical construct at all, it would be wise to check that it will be safe for you and that it will work as expected. To do that, you can use any divination tool that you know, tarot, pendulum, runes, or any other. If you don't know how to do that, you can learn it on my course. To activate this runic stave, you can draw it on a piece of paper, or also you can print it out. Then you trace it with a pen or a marker and name each rune and what it does. Then you say an incantation. After that, you put a candle on top of the paper, light the candle and let it burn down completely. For this stave you can use the next incantation. This runic stave cuts off and blocks the return of all negative influences aimed at happiness in my personal life and in my family unity. This stave consciously forces me to get rid of my blocks, brings happiness, prosperity, well-being, harmony into my life, and this stave works in the most safest possible way for me, so be it. For a stronger ritual of activation that invokes the 4 elements, get my Rune Magic Quick Start course. This is a value-packed video course with years of my experience condensed into a short video that will enable you to work with the runes in a safe and efficient way very quickly. Bypassing mistakes that beginners often do, those prevent the runes from working at all.